Tonight we spotlight Delta Airlines, a name that's been connecting people and places for nearly a century. From crop-dusting beginnings in the rural South, Delta has become a global aviation powerhouse. Its red and blue triangle isn't just a logo, it's a symbol of a vast network, moving people and commerce worldwide. Delta's resilience through economic storms and industry upheavals has made it a barometer for the broader economy. The airline employs tens of thousands, from pilots to mechanics, and its health impacts communities everywhere. Each flight is a feat of coordination, reflecting Delta's commitment to safety and reliability. As Delta approaches its centennial in 2025, its story is one of constant evolution, pioneering new routes, adopting technology, and adapting to customer needs. The company's latest financial results are more than numbers. They're the product of a century of innovation and trust. Understanding Delta's past gives us perspective on its present performance and future plans. That's why these quarterly results matter, not just to Wall Street, but to travelers and communities across the globe. Let's dive into what the latest numbers reveal about this enduring giant. Delta's journey is far from over. Let's break down Delta's third quarter 2025 results, a busy season for air travel. Delta posted $16.7 billion in operating revenue, showing strong demand and full flights. Operating income hit $1.7 billion, meaning the airline made more than it spent on core operations. The operating margin was 10.1%, so Delta kept about 10 cents of every dollar after costs. Pre-tax income reached $1.8 billion, with a pre-tax margin of 10.7%. CEO Ed Bastian called these results top-end, matching Delta's best-case expectations. The company's total debt stood at $14.9 billion, but it generated $1.8 billion in operating cash flow. Delta used $459 million of that cash to pay down debt, showing financial discipline. These numbers reflect a company firing on all cylinders, managing costs, meeting demand, and strengthening its foundation. Strong financials mean Delta can invest in its people, planes, and passenger experience. The airline's performance is a sign of confidence in travel and the broader economy. Let's look at what's driving this success. It's more than just numbers, it's execution. Strong execution is more than a buzzword, it's Delta's daily reality. It means flights depart on time, baggage arrives with you, and customer service is responsive. Behind the scenes, it's about optimizing schedules, using fuel-efficient aircraft, and staffing smartly. Operational excellence leads to fewer delays, lower costs, and loyal customers. Improving fundamentals means robust demand, smart pricing, and healthy cash flow. Delta's ability to set prices, fill seats, and pay down debt shows a business built for resilience. Reducing debt frees up resources for new planes, better lounges, and employee rewards. When execution and fundamentals align, Delta runs like a well-oiled machine, ready for whatever comes next. This is the engine behind Delta's strong quarter. It's why the airline is positioned for continued success. Let's see how Delta plans to build on this momentum. The future is in focus. Here's what's next. A strong quarter sets the stage, but what's next for Delta? For the final months of 2025, including the crucial holiday season, Delta expects demand and earnings to stay high. This optimism is key as Delta celebrates its centennial year. The airline's positive outlook means it's planning for growth, reliability, and a seamless travel experience for millions. Looking ahead to 2026, Delta aims for higher revenues, bigger margins, and stronger profits. The strategy: modernize the fleet, expand routes, and invest in technology to enhance the customer journey. Delta's forward-looking plan builds on its 2025 success, aiming not just to maintain, but to elevate. The company is signaling confidence and ambition for the years ahead. For travelers and investors alike, Delta's flight path is set for new heights. The journey continues. Why should you care about Delta's earnings? Because a strong Delta benefits everyone. For travelers, it means investment in new planes, better tech, and more destinations. Employees gain job security, competitive pay, and a share in the company's success. A healthy Delta supports nearly 100,000 jobs and motivates a workforce that delivers quality service. The airline's performance signals strength for the entire travel industry and economy. Hotels, car rentals, and local businesses all benefit from robust travel demand. Delta's results reflect a global operation running at a high level, driven by demand, discipline, and innovation. For customers, it's a better travel experience. For employees, stability. For the industry, confidence. As Delta marks 100 years and looks to 2026, it's not just reaching its destination, it's soaring. The story of Delta is the story of modern travel, and its next chapter is just beginning.